Well, and now with the feedback, and I know during the course when it got approved, we recommended one of our builders and stuff like Joshua from JWI. I mean, have you seen with that combo with a drafting company or building design company and the builder that they can recommend? Do you find that's a better outcome for a client? It's sort of like being used sort of thing?
Yeah, sure. Well, the first thing I've noticed is most people go to a builder, and then the builder recommends an architect, and then they ask me what your budget is, and then they've decided whether we can finance your budget. I kind of went the other way.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I went designed a house and then tried to find a builder. So I interviewed over a dozen builders, some of them which quoted me stupid money, thinking they could blood another building actually. But it was when I found the right builder who saw the plans, who saw the vision, who understood my needs to me and my family, and Josh took that.
Yeah, because I remember you reading me out and he gave me the positive feedback. I met Joshua, he's really good. I felt comfortable with him here, and that gave me good feedback, you know what I mean, as a designer.